Hello Off-Road Tracks members. In our tutorial section, we're going to add some videos to help people through some common features of the site and how to perform certain actions. One of those things that we wanted to show members is how to upload a file. It's very simple. I'm going to show you a couple different ways. So we are currently on the Facebook Off-Road Tracks group site, and we can write a post, scroll over the More button and add a file, or we can go straight to the file section where all of our track files are stored and hit upload file. It takes you to the same location. Then we go to the choose file. We go into our computer where we store our files. I'm going to pick a file here that I want to upload. We have GPX, which is for GPS types of devices, and we have KML files, which is used in programs such as Google Earth. I'm going to select my file. Then I'm simply going to name or say something about the file. And I'm going to save my post. You now see that file listed in our file section, and we are done. Hopefully I'll have some more video tutorials for us soon, and by the way, I'm also going to store the tutorials in our file section as well, so you can download those at any time and go back and refer to them. I hope that helped. This is Ron at Off-Road Tracks. Have a great day.